I do weird noises. Like, I don't know why. It's funny. And so, it's kind of funny, too. I just do weird noises. I go like, bad chicka wow, down when my baby says, "Kiss means I love you." I go like this in every video. This is my real voice singing it. I want you guys to see. I'm so clocking up right now. Guys, womp womp, bam bam, chicka I'm so triggered. It's just so funny. Does you hear me say that? Womp 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 womp. Chicka wham. No. Chicka wham. No. Chicka bing. Not chicka bam bam. Not chicka. Hoop hoop. Chicka. Leap. Okay. Chicka wham wham. Not chicka wham wham. Chicka. I don't know. I make weird noises. Like I'm silly, guys. Yeah. I'm so silly. I make my own laugh. I make me laugh. Yeah. I'm so silly. I got pimples on my face. I hate pimples. Chicka wham. No, not womp 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 womp. I'm just make weird noises all the time. Like, yeah. Yeah.